today we're going to start growing sweet potato slips. So we have an organic sweet potato, and all you do is you're going to cut the end of the sweet potato like so. There you go. And then you place it in water. So you want the water to be just a couple centimeters. And the third sweet potato
Japanese.
is a Japanese sweet potato. There we go. So in about 6 to 8 weeks, these sweet potatoes will grow green sweet potato slips, and then they'll be ready to plant in the ground. You started out as just a little sweet potato. Feels like only yesterday. But I cut you in half, put you in water, put you in this glass. You grew roots. Your roots grew longer. You grew leaves. Your leaves grew greener. And now it's time to transport you into the ground so you can grow and flourish and evolve and expand. A microcosm of the macro universe. So this one here has a lot of roots. So that's how we know it's ready to be transported. So I'm just gonna lightly remove the slip with the roots attached. And then here. Nice fertile soil. So this guy has a nice long root, so we're gonna see how he does in the ground. So we lightly remove it with the root attached. Hack it. And it will grow sweet potatoes under the ground.